How to use Claude AI to make money 5 ways nobody talks about. Most people use Claude to write emails. That's like buying a Ferrari to get groceries. There are 5 ways to make real money with Claude. Almost nobody is talking about them. One of them made a freelancer $4,200 in a single month. Another requires 0 clients, 0 audience. You need 10 minutes and a free Claude account. By the end of this video, you'll have your first move. Let's go. Claude is Anthropic's AI assistant. Most people know it as the other ChatGPT. Mistake. Claude is significantly better at long-form writing. It handles nuance, tone, and instructions better, and it has a 200,000 token context window. That matters, and you'll see why in way number 2. Here is what we're covering today. 5 income methods. Real rates. Real workflows. No theory, no fluff. Method 5 is the most underrated one on the internet right now. Don't skip ahead, the order matters. Method 1. Selling SOPs to small businesses. SOP equals standard operating procedure. Every business needs them. Almost none have them documented. A restaurant, a gym, a plumber, a real estate agent. They all need written systems for hiring, training, daily ops. Writing SOPs used to take weeks. With Claude, it takes 45 minutes. Here's the workflow. You interview the owner for 20 minutes. You feed Claude the notes. Prompt. Turn these notes into a professional SOP document. For onboarding new employees at a business type, Claude produces a clean, formatted 10-page document. You charge $300 to $800 per SOP package. Most businesses need 3 to 5 documents. That's $900 to $4,000 per client. Where to find clients? Local Facebook groups, Nextdoor, LinkedIn. Message. I help small businesses document their operations so they stop losing time when staff turnover. That pain is universal. The sale is easy. Now, method 2 is different. No clients, no calls, no pitching. This one is as close to passive income as it gets. Method number 2, selling legal-ish document templates. Freelancers, coaches, and small businesses constantly need client contracts, NDA templates, service agreements, invoice templates, privacy policies. They don't want to pay a lawyer $500 per hour. They want a $19 template on Etsy or Gumroad. You create these once. You sell them forever. Here's how. Go to Etsy. Search freelance contract template. Top sellers have 10,000 plus reviews at $12 to $35 per sale. That's $120,000 plus in sales from one document. Your workflow with Claude. Prompt. Write a professional freelance contract template for a social media manager. Include payment terms, deliverables, kill fee, and revision limits. Claude produces a clean, professional document. Edit it slightly. Add your branding in Canva. Upload to Etsy or Gumroad. Important disclaimer. These are templates, not legal advice. State that clearly in your listing description. You're selling a starting point, not legal counsel. This is a completely standard product category. Stay with me. Methods 3 and 4 are for people who want active income. Method 5 requires no selling, no clients, no marketplace. And it's the one most creators completely overlook. I'll show you exactly how it works right after method 3. Method number 3, writing Amazon product listings. There are 2 million active Amazon sellers. Most of their product listings are terrible. Bad copy equals low conversions equals lost sales. They know it. They'll pay to fix it. A professional Amazon listing includes SEO optimized title, 5 bullet points, full product description, back-end search terms. Good copywriters charge $150 to $400 per listing. With Claude, you write one in under 20 minutes. Your workflow. Ask the seller for product name, features, and target customer. Prompt. Write a high-converting Amazon product listing for enter product name, target customer, select an audience. Include Title, 5 bullets and a 200-word description. Optimize for Amazon SEO, Claude nails it. Where to find clients, Reddit r/fulfillment by Amazon. Post, offering Amazon listing rewrites for $149 each, 48-hour turnaround. Great. Subreddit has 400,000 members. 10 clients equals $1,490. Quick recap before we go deeper. Method 1. SOPs.
$900 to $4,000 per client.
Method 2. Templates passive. Scales forever. Method 3. Amazon listings $149 per listing. We still have 2 left, and the next one surprised me. Method number 4. Scripting videos for other YouTubers. YouTube is the second largest search engine on Earth. Creators are desperate for good scripts. Most don't have time to write them. The faceless YouTube niche alone is exploding. These channels need 2 to 4 scripts per week. Every week. Rates for YouTube scriptwriters: $75 to $300 per script. Top writers earn $3,000 to $8,000 per month from 3 to 4 clients. Here's how Claude makes this fast. Prompt. Write a YouTube script for a faceless channel in the personal finance niche. Topic. Enter topic name. Tone. Conversational, punchy. Length, 8 minutes. Include a strong hook, pattern interrupts every 45 seconds, and a CTA at the end. Sound familiar? That's basically what's happening right now. You refine, you add specifics, you deliver. Where to find clients, YouTube creator and Facebook groups. Search, faceless YouTube creators on Facebook. Offer a free trial script. One good script earns you a retainer. Okay. This is the one I promised you. Method 5. No clients. No marketplace. No social media presence needed. You need Claude and one other free tool. Most people doing this are making $500 to $2,000 per month quietly.
It's been hiding in plain sight. Method 5. Selling Claude prompt packs. Millions of people have Claude accounts.
Most don't know how to prompt it effectively. A well-crafted prompt is worth real money. Here's the product. A prompt pack. Example, 50 Claude prompts for freelance writers. Example, 30 Claude prompts for real estate agents. Example, ultimate Claude prompt pack for Etsy sellers. Each pack equals a simple PDF or Notion document. Price, $9 to $27 per pack. You build each one in 2 to 3 hours using Claude itself. Prompt to create your prompts.
Generate 50 advanced Claude prompts for a niche. Each prompt should produce a specific high-value output.
Format as a numbered list with a title and the full prompt text. Test each one. Keep the best 30 to 50. Package it. Sell on Gumroad. Takes 20 minutes to set up. Gumroad is free. They take 10%. This scales. You're not trading time for money. One pack can sell 100 plus times. That's $900 to $2,700 from a single 3-hour project. Build a library of 5 packs across different niches. You've built a real passive income asset. Let's recap the 5 methods.
1. Business SOPs, $900 to $4,000 per client. 2. Document templates, passive, scales, forever. 3. Amazon listings, $149 per listing, 20 minutes. 4. YouTube scripts, $3,000 to $8,000 per month retainer potential. 5. Prompt packs, $9 to $27. No clients, fully passive.
Here's your one action for today. Pick the method that matches your situation. Have time but no money? Start with number 3 or number 4. Want passive income? Build one prompt pack this weekend. Have local connections? Pitch 2 businesses for SOPs. Don't try all 5. Start with 1. The people making money with AI aren't using magic. They're using the same tool you have access to right now. The only difference is they started. If this was useful, subscribe. Next video, the exact Claude prompts I use to write a full YouTube script in under 30 minutes. See you there.
Subscribe for weekly Claude workflows.